Sunrise and sunset are always special times in the world because our bodies have clocks that know what is going on. Nature knows. And if we let it, our bodies move into a rhythm, allowing ourselves to wake when we're ready and sleep when we're tired, gives us the energy for our day and allows us the time and space to find that rhythm. When we lead busy lives, we can still find our rhythm by taking 5 seconds, 10 seconds, an hour sometimes, to just enjoy the environment you're in. Become really aware of how you feel. Our beautiful body grounding of temperature, of breeze, of texture of fabric. Our energy groundings of moving into the nature and allowing it to fall down beneath you. Or finding a beautiful space with nobody else's energy to be just you, or to call in conversation with your ancestors. And just be. Taking the time to observe the experience you're in and enjoy that.